tanzen und die Musik spielt auch dazu. So gehen auch wir zum Bierfest tanzen und wie die Hühner dann zirkelst du.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? Happy Sunday, fun day. How y'all are? We're doing really well here in the Banks Mafia household. Thank you so much for your time, your energy, your passion, things that you guys have said to me, whether it be online or offline. I truly appreciate the feedback that y'all have given. Today we have a seasonal favorite of mine, which is brats and beer, kind of done restaurant style. And I say restaurant style because what I try to do is inject so much flavor that this is going to be one of those things where your family's always going to order it because it tastes exactly what you can get from a restaurant at home. So stick with us today. What we're going to do is beer and brats. We're going to slow cook the brats with beer. We'll use a seasonal Samuel Adams Oktoberfest. We're going to do that and with a bunch of onions for a couple of hours, then add in some sausages. We'll use bratwurst and knockwurst, and then we'll take those and put them into a pan, grill them up real quick, and then also reduce the Samuel Adams down a little bit with the onions, make a nice sauce for it, and then eat that on a bun with some spicy mustard. So here we go, y'all. Have an amazing day. I hope your football team is doing really well. Cowboys have the week off, so I'm cheering for all of y'all this week. Except for the Giants, because I hate the Giants. So good luck, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Please try this at home. Let me know what you guys think, and y'all have a great day. Ciao.
La 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 la.
gegrüßt, liegt meine schöne Münchner Stadt, die ihresgleichen nicht hat. Wasser ist billig, rein und gut, nur verdünnt es unser Blut. Schöner sind Tropfen goldenen Weins, aber am schönsten ist eins. In München steht ein Hofbräuhaus, 1, 2, super! Da läuft so manches Festchen aus, 1, 2, super!
All right, YouTube, so we are nearing the completion of the beer and brat cook. This did take a long time because I wanted to do it in 2 different processes, which is the first, cook it in the slow cooker with the onions, the beer for a while. I did that for basically 2 hours in just the onions and the beer, and then I threw in the brat for the next 2 hours. So 4 hours in total in the slow cooker, and you can continue cooking that way until it's done to your liking. But what I prefer to do is after you cook it for such a long time on the slow cooker, the next step would be bringing it to the stovetop and then getting some grill marks on your brats, and then also reducing down your liquid a little bit more, making it more concentrated, as well getting those onions exactly to the point to where I like them. I do recommend your form of transportation or your bread. If you can get a Kaiser bun, do it on a Kaiser bun or a Kaiser roll. Yesterday, Whole Foods did not have a Kaiser roll, so I got a Chicago bun. If you look here, I also like to cut my bun not all the way to the bottom because I like to create a boat. And this boat will be the recipient of all the juices from the onions and the beer and the sauce itself, the natural sauce. And because we poked those holes inside the brats, now you have a marriage of the brats and the beer and the onions, because everything seeped in and then everything seeped out, and then it's all kind of combined together in holy matrimony of beer and brats heaven. We're gonna go ahead and get this plated up, let the kids eat real quick, and give us a quick take test. Thank you guys very much. See you soon.
Jeder nimmt sich zusammen, Freibier kriegen die Schützen und die Madeln einen Kuss. Achtung, unser Bürgermeister macht den ersten Schuss. Schützenliesel, 3-mal hat's gekrackt. Schützenliesel, du hast mir das Glück gebracht, ja Schützenliesel, dafür dank ich dir. Jetzt bin ich der Schützenkönig und du bleibst bei mir, bei mir. Jetzt bin ich der Schützenkönig und du bleibst bei mir. Immer wenn du dich jetzt küssen lässt, denk ich an das Schützenfest. Sag ja, Rosamunde, frag doch nicht erst die Mama. Rosamunde,
dir treu, denn zur Stunde Rosamunde ist mein Herz gerade noch frei. Rosamunde, schenk mir dein Herz und sag ja. Rosamunde, frag doch nicht erst die Mama. Rosamunde, glaub mir auch, ich bin dir treu, denn zur Stunde Rosamunde ist mein Herz gerade noch frei.
Alright guys, we're here at tasting time. By far the best time of the day. And before we get started, we're going to be drinking this Stellar Paradox. It's a double IPA, it's 8.1 ABV. It's delicious, you choose red or blue. It's up to you. So let's go ahead and give that a go because we worked really hard for this. Oh, that's so good. Again, you've got this hazy, delicious, juicy beer, nice ABV. Nice and dank. Oh, that's solid. Alright. And this big bad boy right here. Let's give this a go.
Main course.
This is slow. Very slow.
Cool.
Yes. Thank you, Ellie. Well done.
That is good. Again, I prefer the Kaiser roll because it's more authentic. But the Chicago roll, it's good enough. You know, it's not the best, but the Kaiser roll is definitely the way to go. But the juices and the moisture within the, see if we can get a close up of that. That is good. So there you have it, guys. You got some beer and brats, and I slow cooked it for 4 hours. And we also put it on the stove top for about 15 minutes. It is ready to go. It's delicious. I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for the support. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share if you want to give this out and get me a little bit more publicity. I would greatly appreciate it. So we can continue these things. And again, if you have any other suggestions that you'd like to see, feel free. I'm just kind of doing things as I see fit. I think October is the month of Oktoberfest everything, which is why we cooked it in the Samuel Adams seasonal Oktoberfest. And I love a good beer brought in October, just the way it is. So Prost to all of you out there, and we'll see you soon. Take care, y'all.
Okay, YouTube. I'm gonna try a couple pieces of meat, and I'm gonna tell you what I think. Really hot, fresh. Really soft, flavory, really tasty. And perfectly cooked.
All right, try the other one. And see if you taste any difference. And if you taste a difference, let them know what you taste.
It also has a lot of flavor. But I think the white one is a little fresher, and it also tastes a little more like a normal sausage.
Is that right? So it's more beefy, you think? Okay, cool. So in your opinion, which one was your favorite?
I like both the same.
All right.
But there's still a lot of difference.
Yeah? But you don't have one that's more favorite than the other? No? All right, buddy. Tell everyone goodbye.
Peace.